Alright, Pratt necktie knot. This time, let's learn how to tie it on someone else. So, we're going to begin standard length necktie, seam side out. Use the shirt buttons as my beginning point, starting at the 4th button down, cross over here at the 2nd. Again, that will be the narrow end over the top. I'm going to spiral once around this neck piece. Wrap the face. Now up the back and down through that loop we just created there. A little bit of straightening there. We'll cinch that up in place. And there you have it, the Pratt necktie knot.